Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Reels on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app. Go to the Reels section. Scroll up or down and find the reel that you want to save. Once you have found it, tap on the three dots icon from the right side. Now you can see the save option at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. And this is how you can save Reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.